What's up, guys? Do you know what is the #1 mobile charging brand? Of course, it is Anker. They make quality chargers, wireless chargers, cables, as well as power banks and even charging stations. In this video we will talk about the power bank called Anker MagGo. As you can guess from the name, its main feature is magnetic wireless charging. You know, we have already tested similar power banks with magnetic charging on our channel, Tech Brothers. But the Anker MagGo has some unique features, such as a smart display, Qi2 certification, Anker's wireless power IQ technology, as well as 10,000 mAh battery capacity, 15 watts wireless charging, and 27 watts wired charging. Although I started this video with big words about the best mobile charging brand, I haven't actually tried any devices from Anker yet, but I have heard a lot about them. Let's see if this power bank is really good. You know, I could tell you nothing about this device, because you can read all about it on the box. I really like it when all information about the products is on the box. Here we can see again that Anker is #1 mobile charging brand. You should also pay attention to this for iPhone 15, 14, 13 and 12 series. However, I think you can also use it with the iPhone 16. The power bank was just released before the iPhone 16, but this power bank is only for iPhones. You cannot use it with Android devices. On the back of the box, we can see two scenarios for using the power bank. Let's finally open the box. First, we have a power bank in a package. There's also a quick start guide and a USB Type-C charging cable included. I have told you before that I have a magnetic power bank that I have been using for a few years now. What surprises me is that both of these power banks have 10,000 mAh battery capacity, but the Anker MagGo is almost twice as thick. It is most likely because of the display and the technologies used in the Anker power bank. Its dimensions are 106 by 68 by 20 mm. The weight is 250 grams. The main body of the power bank is made of the very pleasant-to-touch matte plastic, and only the stand is metal. The stand is very sturdy, and you can adjust the angle up to 90 degrees. I have a power bank in black, but it is also available in white and purple, so you can match the color of the power bank with the color of your iPhone. There is power button on one side and USB Type-C charging port on the other. You also couldn't help but notice the display on the side. It is turned on by pressing a power button. The display is not very big. I think it is about 1 inch, but it is in color. I think the display is called Smart because it recognizes when you charge your smartphone from the power bank or recharge the power bank itself. The display also informs you about battery level and remaining battery in hours. When you charge the power bank, it will tell you how much time it has left until it is fully charged. I guess that's all the functions of the smart display. It doesn't show input and output power, but do you really need it? By the way, the maximum USB-C input power of the Anker MagGo is 20 watts. As for the output power, you can use USB-C port and charging cable to charge your phone with the maximum power of 27 watts. Using wireless charging, you will get a maximum power of 15 watts. Anker is the #1 brand in mobile charging because it uses many advanced technologies to ensure the safety and reliability of its devices. For example, Anker MagGo Power Bank features wireless power IQ technology, AI power algorithm, optimal energy conversion design, and a multi-layer heat dissipation system. For some reason, I have a lot of trust in this brand and specifically this power bank. Now let's check the charging speed. First, I will charge my iPhone 12 using the magnetic wireless charger. It took about 47 minutes to charge the phone from 7 to 50%. I guess that's pretty fast for wireless charging, right? As for wired charging, the iPhone charged from 50 to 90% in about 40 minutes. but then the charging speed dropped a lot. It took another 46 minutes to charge the phone battery from a 90 to 100%. I think it is not a bug, but a feature. The power bank uses advanced technologies, and it slows down the last 10% of charging to extend the battery lifetime of your smartphone. By the way, a recharge of the power bank takes about 2.5 hours. After charging my iPhone from 7 to 100% wirelessly and wired, the battery level of the power bank was 28%. Before the test, the power bank was charged at 65%. So I am assuming that the Anker Power Bank can charge an iPhone 12 2.5 times. So the Anker MagGo is a very useful power bank for charging on the go. You can quickly attach it to your iPhone and keep using it. The stand allows you to charge your iPhone and watch videos at the same time. As for the display, it is useful for monitoring the remaining battery level of the power bank. So if you need a compact power bank to charge your iPhone, the Anker MagGo is a good one. Thank you for watching. See you soon!